Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered about the stars? Some shine brightly, while others seem to twinkle faintly. Among these celestial wonders, there's one star that has captivated astronomers for centuries: Betelgeuse. Betelgeuse is a star with a story to tell, a story of cosmic drama, immense energy, and the cycle of life and death among the stars. It's a story that reminds us of the vastness of the universe and our place within it. Let's embark on a journey to discover the secrets of Betelgeuse, a star on the verge of a spectacular transformation. High in the winter sky, you can find the constellation Orion, the Hunter. This constellation has been known since ancient times and has been a part of many myths and legends. Its distinctive shape makes it one of the most recognizable constellations in the night sky. Orion is easy to spot because of his belt, made of 3 bright stars in a row. These stars are named Alnitak, Alnilam, and Mintaka. They form a straight line that cuts through the middle of the constellation, making it easy to identify even for amateur stargazers. But look closer, and you'll notice a reddish star marking Orion's shoulder. That's Betelgeuse. This star is one of the most studied in the night sky due to its unique characteristics and its importance in the field of astronomy. Betelgeuse is a red supergiant, a star much larger and more massive than our own sun. Red supergiants are among the largest stars in the universe in terms of volume, although they are not the most massive. Betelgeuse's size and brightness make it a fascinating object of study. If Betelgeuse were to replace our sun, it would stretch out beyond the orbit of Mars. This means that the inner planets, including Earth, would be engulfed within the star itself. The sheer scale of Betelgeuse is almost incomprehensible. That's how enormous this star truly is. To put it into perspective, Betelgeuse has a radius about 1,400 times that of the Sun. Its volume is so vast that it could contain over 1 billion suns. Betelgeuse stands out not just for its size but also for its color. The reddish hue of Betelgeuse is due to its cooler surface temperature compared to other stars like our Sun. This cooler temperature gives it a distinctive red color that can be seen even with the naked eye. Its reddish hue tells us that it's nearing the end of its life, like a glowing ember in the cosmic fireplace. Betelgeuse is expected to end its life in a spectacular supernova explosion, which will be visible from Earth even during the daytime. This event will mark the end of one of the most fascinating stars in our galaxy, but it will also give birth to new stars and planets from the remnants of the explosion. Stars like Betelgeuse are like giant furnaces, fusing hydrogen into helium in their cores. This process releases tremendous amounts of energy, making them shine brightly across vast distances. But even stars don't have an unlimited supply of fuel. Betelgeuse in its old age is running out of hydrogen to burn. As it gobbles up the last of its fuel, it's going through dramatic changes. Think of it like a car sputtering as it runs out of gas. These changes are what make Betelgeuse so fascinating to astronomers. By studying this star, we can learn a lot about how stars evolve and what happens to them when they reach the end of their lives. One of the most intriguing things about Betelgeuse is that it's a variable star. This means that its brightness changes over time. Sometimes it's one of the brightest stars in the sky, while at other times it dims significantly. In recent years, Betelgeuse has undergone a particularly dramatic dimming event. Astronomers observed a significant drop in its brightness, leading to speculation that it might be on the verge of exploding. While Betelgeuse didn't explode yet, this dimming event provided valuable insights into the star's behavior. It's a reminder that Betelgeuse is a dynamic and unpredictable star, capable of surprising us at any moment. A cosmic fireworks show. So, what will happen when Betelgeuse finally runs out of fuel? This red supergiant star, located about 642 light-years away from Earth, has been a subject of fascination for astronomers for centuries. Betelgeuse is nearing the end of its life cycle, and when it exhausts its nuclear fuel, it will undergo a dramatic transformation. It will go out with a bang, a supernova. This colossal explosion will be one of the most spectacular events we can witness in the cosmos. The energy released during a supernova is so immense that it can briefly outshine an entire galaxy. A supernova is an incredibly powerful explosion that marks the death of a star. When the core of the star collapses under its own gravity, it triggers a massive release of energy, sending shockwaves through space. This explosion is not just a violent end but also a new beginning. When Betelgeuse explodes, it will be a spectacular sight from Earth. Imagine looking up at the night sky and witnessing a brilliant light show that rivals the brightness of the full moon. This event will be visible to the naked eye, making it a once-in-a-lifetime experience for stargazers. It will become so bright that it will outshine the full moon, visible even during the day. The supernova will dominate the sky, casting shadows at night and being a prominent feature during the day. This extraordinary brightness will last for several weeks. The supernova will last for weeks or even months, casting an eerie glow upon the night sky. As the explosion gradually fades, the remnants of Betelgeuse will continue to illuminate the sky, providing a prolonged celestial spectacle. While a supernova sounds destructive, it's important to remember that it's a natural part of the life cycle of stars. Stars are born, they live, and they die, and in their death, they contribute to the ongoing cycle of creation and destruction in the universe. These explosions play a crucial role in enriching the universe with heavy elements that eventually become part of new stars, planets, and even life itself. The elements forged in the heart of a dying star are scattered across the cosmos, seeding the next generation of celestial bodies. In this way, supernovae are not just the end of a star's life, but the beginning of new possibilities in the universe. Section 6. Secrets of the Stars. Betelgeuse provides a unique opportunity for astronomers to study a star on the brink of a supernova. By observing its behavior, we can learn more about the processes that lead to these explosive events. For example, the Great Dimming event provided valuable data about the star's outer layers and how they are ejected into space. This helps us understand how massive stars lose mass as they age. Betelgeuse is like a giant laboratory in the sky, allowing us to test our theories about stellar evolution and the extreme environments found in the universe. Section 7. From Death, New Life. While the thought of a star exploding might seem scary, it's important to remember that supernovas are essential for the universe's continued existence. These cataclysmic events, though violent and powerful, are a natural part of the life cycle of stars. They mark the end of a star's life, but also the beginning of something new and extraordinary. Supernovas are the cosmic furnaces where heavy elements, like the carbon in our bodies and the iron in our blood, are forged. These elements are not just created, they are scattered across the universe, seeding the cosmos with the building blocks of life. Without supernovas, the universe would lack the essential ingredients for planets, life, and even us. When Betelgeuse explodes, it will scatter these elements into space. This explosion will be a spectacular event, visible even from Earth, and it will send shockwaves through the surrounding space, dispersing materials far and wide. These materials will travel through the cosmos, eventually finding new homes in nebulae where they will contribute to the formation of new stars and planets. Over millions of years, these materials will eventually become part of new stars and planets. The remnants of Betelgeuse will mix with other cosmic dust and gas, coalescing under the force of gravity to form new celestial bodies. This process is slow and gradual, but it is the way the universe renews itself, constantly creating new stars and planets from the ashes of the old. In a sense, Betelgeuse's death will sow the seeds for new life to emerge elsewhere in the cosmos. The elements it releases will become part of new star systems, potentially giving rise to new planets and perhaps new forms of life. This cycle of death and rebirth is a fundamental aspect of the universe, ensuring that life continues to evolve and flourish. So while we may mourn the loss of a bright star in our sky, we can also celebrate the role it plays in the grand cycle of cosmic creation. Betelgeuse's explosion will be a reminder of the incredible processes that shape our universe, and of the interconnectedness of all things. From the death of a star, new life will emerge, continuing the endless dance of creation and destruction that defines our cosmos. Section 8. Keep looking up. Betelgeuse's story is a reminder that the universe is a dynamic and ever-changing place. It's also a story that highlights the interconnectedness of everything in the cosmos, from the largest stars to the smallest particles. So the next time you look up at the night sky, take a moment to appreciate the wonders above. Look for Betelgeuse, the red giant in Orion's shoulder, and remember the incredible cosmic drama unfolding millions of miles away. Who knows, you might even be lucky enough to witness its spectacular supernova one day. Keep exploring, keep wondering, and never stop looking up.